Hello everyone, this is Gandi Smith. Today I will be showing you how to automate a text response. This is if you have an iPhone, if you have an Android. I can't help you, but I just learned this last night, so I'm just sharing the information. So on your iPhone, you're gonna look for the app called Shortcuts. If you don't see it, you may have to download it. It may already be on your phone, I'm not sure. So you're gonna open up the app. You're gonna see this screen. You're gonna click on the middle button at the bottom. It says Automation. You're gonna see this screen. You're gonna click the plus sign. Now there are a lot of automation things that you can do with your phone. I'm showing you one of them. This is all I know right now. This is all I can help with. So we're doing a text message. It says, when I get a message, the example is when I get a message from mom. You're gonna click on that. For the sender, you're gonna leave that blank because it doesn't matter who sends you the message, you want it to be the same response. Message contains. So for this is going to be the trigger word. What word or phrase do you want people to send you? And then there's going to be a response. So for example, let's say you are a realtor and you want people to message you, find my house or find my home. So if anybody sends you the phrase, find my home, and the words are all together, they'll get that response. I don't suggest doing, one word phrases like home, because anytime somebody sends a text to you and the word home is in that text, they're going to get this response. So I would suggest putting, 2 to 3 words together, using numbers. If you, text 1, 2, 3, 4, but I would just say get creative. All right. So we're going to set this one to find my home. Click done. Now you have the option to either run. It says run after confirmation. So if someone texts you, find my home, you're going to get something that pops up that says you have to click a button and then it'll send out the message. Or you can do run immediately. And if that phrase comes in, the message will go out automatically. So sender, you're going to leave it blank. Message contains, put in your trigger word. And then third, choose whether you're going to run after confirmation or run it immediately. You're going to click next. You're going to get to this screen. So it says, when I get a message containing, and then your trigger word, what do you want your phone to do? So we're going to do a new blank automation. So it says, receive messages as input. So if that code comes in, what do you want to happen? You want a text to go out. What do you want the text to say? And I'm just going to put thank you for contacting ABC Realty. We would love to help you find your home. Please provide your name and email, blah, 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 whatever else you want to put in there. All right, now, and who do you want it to go to? You're going to click shortcut input and then click on it and change that to sender. You want this message to go to the sender. So whoever sent you that code, you want your phone to send them this text. You're gonna click done. Now let's go try it out. So find my home. And you see it pops up, running your automation. And boom, text message.